Hi. So now we will discuss about one new topics. The new topic is what? Test engine. Okay. So see this test engine. I can zoom it. Wait. Okay. So what is test engine? So here testing is the unit testing tool. Okay. Test engine is a unit testing tool, and unit testing is a framework. Okay. So now test new ng, test new, and next generation is Java based unit testing tool. So see here. So manual testing is what? Okay. So in manual testing, so STLC is the main concept. Okay. Second half is the main concept. So in automation testing, framework is main. Okay. Framework is main. So here there are two types of frameworks. So we will discuss in okay, further class. Please wait. And here see the advantages. Okay. There are six type of advantages. So what is the advantages? Grouping of test cases and the prioritize and parameterization and parallel testing and reports and then manage the test cases and suits. Okay, see here. So first, what is the grouping of test cases? So grouping of test cases, so we are going to execute the test cases here. Okay, see here, grouping of test cases, we are going to execute the test cases. So sanity and regression testing. Okay, sanity testing and regression testing, sometimes both of, okay, both sanity and regression combined. Okay, see here, priority. Priority means what? We can give the priority of number, then we can execute the priorities. Okay, see this. And parameterization. Parameterization means so test the application with different types of the data or parameters. Okay. So first of all, what is the group of test cases? We are going to execute the test cases. Okay. Grow sanity testing. Okay. Sanity testing and regression testing. Sometimes both testing comes under the test cases. And the priority means we can give the priority to the number, and then okay, then the order will be execute the TestNG files. Okay. Next, parameterization means test the application with different types of the data or parameters. Okay. Test the application with different types of data and parameters. Next, parallel testing. So what is parallel testing? At that time, okay, at a time execute one test case in Chrome browser. Okay, at a time you can execute one test case in Chrome browser and Firefox browser and Edge browser. Okay, we can run the program in different types of browsers at a time only. Okay, that is called as parallel testing. And reports. What is reports? It is default and expand the reports. Okay, default and extend the reports. So next, what is manage test? Okay, what is test? Manage test case and test suites. So with help of TestNG files, we can manage the test cases and test suites. Now, so TestNG is available in your PC or laptop. So you can check with one path. Okay. So what is the path here? See this. First of all, go to Eclipse. Okay. After go to Eclipse, see this Windows tab is there. So click on this Windows and preferences is one option. Okay. Click this. So if click preferences, TestNG will be displayed here. Okay. If TestNG will be displayed, the TestNG will be installed in your Eclipse. Okay. If TestNG is not available, so what I can do? Please wait. Okay. See another one. See this. Eclipse Windows preferences testing. So if preferences we can click, it displays what? TestNG. Okay, it displays TestNG. So next, testing configuration. See here. So go to Eclipse and after that click the help menu. Okay, and then click Eclipse Marketplace. Okay, see here. I can go for it and help. After help, what? Click on the Eclipse Marketplace. Okay, so I can click this. It will be running. Please wait. It is loading. Please wait. Say takes some time. Please wait. Okay. After Eclipse Marketplace loading, see here there are so many. Okay, so many are there. features are there. Here we can click what TestNG. Okay, T-E-S-T text NG. I can click here. So after that we can search it. Okay, I am installed. Okay, so if you install freshly, okay, if you install newly, it shows what install option. So I am already installed. That's why it shows installed. Okay, you click on that install and install the TestNG for Eclipse for in your laptops. Okay. After installation call happens, now we can check that file. Okay, Windows preference. So where we can check this. Okay, where we can check this. See here, I can open this. Wait, add libraries. Okay, TestNG add libraries here. So right click on the project. How to add the testing project? See here, restart the Eclipse after configuration. So click on the project, right click on the project and the properties Java build. Okay, see this. This is my project. I can click on this, right click. Okay. So here properties will be displayed. So after that properties, we can click for Java path. Okay. Full Java path. In that Java path, select one folder library. I can add as library. Okay. TestNG will be displayed up. Okay. Displayed. Click next. Okay. And finished. Okay. TestNG will be added here. See this TestNG will be added here. Apply and see this. Now go for project and right click properties. Okay, JRE. See this. Here any test engine. No, non properties are see this. So if go for here, library section, add libraries and testing list format. Next, finish and click apply and close. Okay, I can like this and the libraries add library. So test ng, click next. After click next, finish. Okay, after click next, finish. Finish, apply and close. Okay, I can go for apply and close. Okay, wait, it is loading and applied also. Okay, I can restart my browser. Please wait, restart button, click here. It is loading. Okay, again Eclipse will be open here. Please wait, it's running. Okay, it will be running. See here, project. TestNG will be displayed where in window preferences we can see the TestNG. Okay, TestNG will be displayed. Okay. Next, if you know if it is not displayed, so what you can do? So you can copy this line. Okay. Same dependency, group ID, artifact ID, version, and scope and dependency. Okay. We can copy this one. You can copy and paste into where pom.xml file. You can paste it where you can insert the project. So pom.xml file, you can insert that one. Okay. So after installation completed, see here. Actually, there are two types of frameworks. So first is what? First framework is TDD. Okay. Second one is BDD. So we will discuss in Cucumber frameworks. Okay. So actually TDD comes under what? Test driven development. So Python test, Python DD, okay, JUnit and testing. These are comes under TDD. And BDD means it is a Cucumber and okay, J behavior. These are comes under BDD. So TDD means it is a test engine from for Java, for .NET, NUNIT, and for Python, PyTest, and for JavaScript, JavaScript. So TDD is mainly focused on the functionality of the application. TDD, this is test engine comes under what? TDD framework. So it is main focus of functionality of the application. Here mainly focus on the technical part. Okay, test engine mainly focus on technical part. So only technical people can understand this TestNG. So TestNG, test cases only understand the technical people like developers and testers only understand this TestNG. Okay. In BDD means it is a Cucumber framework. It's about multi-language like Java, Ruby, JavaScript, and it is for .NET is a spec flow and behave for Python and JBehave for Java. So actually BDD is mainly focused on what user acceptance test cases. So BDD means Cucumber is mainly focused on what behavioral part. So TestNG is mainly focused on what technical part. Here we can testers and okay developers and testers only can understand this TestNG. Okay, these 11 points are main. What is 11 points? First, at the rate of test annotation is one of the annotation which is available in TestNG. Okay, so build path is also completed. Now we can insert some, okay, some files. What are the files? I can open this. Please wait. So pom.fxml file. You can install. Okay, you can type this dependency. Okay, and this one is also one dependency two. Okay, this is also one dependency 3. This is also one dependency 4. Okay, there are 4 dependencies can be installed here, and another also we can install, but it is not installed. Okay, so please wait. I can write this again. I can run. If it's not working, I can close that one. Okay, please wait. See here, argon.selenium, and we can write the path here org.selenium. Org.selenium SE. I think S is small. SE. LENIUM, Selenium, what NIT. I can create one another one, NIT. So actually, NIT is not available here. That's why it not display. So I can change this also. org.selenium NIT2. org.selenium NIT2. I can write like this. Okay. And the version is what? Here we can give 001 snapshot. I can copy it. Okay. And paste it here. Here, paste it. It shows error. It shows error. That's why I can remove this. Okay. I can't add this. So I can close the file also. Don't save. Okay. So pom.xml open and you can type for these 4 paths. Okay, you can screenshot this. Okay, Selenium, Java, TestNG. Okay, and after that Apache PY and Apache PY is in the WXML, this PY. Okay. So now see the main points here. I can close this form.xml. Okay. See here, first point is what? At the rate of test annotation is one of the annotation which is available in the TestNG. This is the main at the rate of test. Okay, there is no main method in the TestNG. Okay. Before we writing a method, we specify what annotation mandatory. Otherwise, we can't run the test. Okay, execution is not possible here. So TestNG executes what? Okay, test methods in alphabetical order. So we can see first 4 points now. You can write one sample program here. Okay. So go to our project in Eclipse. Okay. If you create pom.xml files, it will be displayed on where maven.dependencies it will be displayed. See this TestNG, okay, 7.0, okay, Selenium, and the pom. Okay, py files, all will be displayed here. Okay. So next I can minimize this. Okay. TestNG also see here, so many files are there. What jar commanders. Okay, all input files will be inserted here. Okay. Now I can create one small project. So package name is what? We can create one package. So new package. So what is the package name? I can give package name is TestNG. TEST. Wait. ST. Sorry. TST. TestNG one. I can give like this. Okay. I can give this TestNG one or okay. You write like this. Okay. And finish. See your package will be created or not. Okay. Right. See here one package will be created here. So actually here this is what I can create with Purna dot so many files are there. Okay, with company files like C Java. I can close this July files, so many are there. Okay. So now we can write what? Right click on this. Okay, right click. I can write one new class. I can create one new class. So class name is what? TestNG1. TestNG1. Okay. Here don't select main method. Why means TestNG not accept the main methods. Okay. I can finish. Okay. Here one package will be created in that package. TestNG is the class name. Okay. So now I can write what? See here. Here we can't write any main method. Okay. That's why we can write what at the rate of text. Sorry, I can write at the rate of text here. So it shows error. Why means it cannot be imported. Okay, it cannot be imported. So wait, right click over on this syntax error something. So wait, void main. I can give this void. What login? I can give here login. Okay, see this shows what? See here, it shows again error. So see this imported. I can import here by. Okay, after login, we can give what system dot out dot pri and plf. This displays what? This is login. Okay, this is login. OGIM. You can give likes. Next one, same. I can copy these 3 lines. Can copy these 4 lines. Control C, and again I can paste here. Okay, next time I will give what? File name is searching. 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 This is what login will be converted into searching series. Here we can give also searching. After that, same again. We can write another one. Okay, this is called what? It is a quit method. Okay, QUIT quit. Okay, so quit means it will be closed. See here. Okay, I can't write any main method here. Why means TestNG is not accepted any main methods. That's why we cannot write. So first one is what? So see this, I can run this. Okay, and right click on this. Run as what? Run as a TestNG text. Okay, see this. Wait, it is loading. Okay, I can click OK. Okay, how to do will be displayed or not? I can pass 3 methods. Okay, so what is that? Void login and okay, and searching and pick. The 3 will be launched. See this. First one is what? Login, close and searching. See this. I can pass first what login, and after that we can pass searching, and after that we can pass quit. But here first login will be displayed, after that close will be displayed, after that searching will be displayed. Why means this point will be displayed in here. Since TestNG executes what? Test methods in alphabetical order. So alphabetical order means first L, okay, after that what? Q, okay, then S. Not this. This is only a normal test. So where what you can display in the login, that will be displayed in, okay, that will be displayed in output. Okay, 3 tests are run. There is no failures. So if you not write this, okay, if you not write this test, okay, see again, you can run this, save, okay, and run again. What will be displayed? See this. Run as what? Test engine. See here. So here 2 will be passes. Okay, only 2 will be passes. Why means I can pass login and searching. That's why this 2 will be displayed. Okay. So definitely @ test is mandatory. Okay, I can save. So see here. Next point what? So we can control execution order by providing what? Priority. Priority is main here. Okay, I can give the priority. So see this test of PRI. So priority I can give is what? Here I can give priority 1 now. Same like I can copy this. I can copy paste here. I can paste here. Okay, this is priority 2. This is priority 3. See this. Save the file and run it. Okay, run as what? Run as test engine. See here. 3 will be passed here. So first there is an odd, okay, priority wise. So login, searching, and close. Okay. Previously close will be displayed second. Here what? I can give the priorities. That's why we can display like priorities. Okay, without priority, see this. We cannot give without priority. It will go for what? Alphabetical order. With priority wise means we can display like out displays like priority wise. So if you not assign any priority, okay, if you not assign any priority, see this. I can remove here. I can remove to first priority. See this. It will be displayed what? Save this. Save the file and run it. Okay. Run as system.testng. Again, it displays like first one. Okay. First login. After that, searching after. Why means defaultly. Okay. If you write, if you not assigning any priority, okay, it is the default value contains 0 here. Okay. The priority takes this 0. Okay. So if the priorities are same, okay, what will you? Yes, see this. Control V. If priorities are same, so I can give this for 1. Okay. This for 1. Here we can give priority as 1 also. Okay. Now save and run it. What it happens? See here. Okay. If priorities are same, it will go for alphabetical order. Okay. If priorities are same, okay, equal priorities are go for alphabetical order. So if you give negative values here, I can give here -1, here 0. Okay, so 0. Okay, here what? -2 I can give you. Okay, see this. Save and run as TestNG. See here, it is execute or not? 3 will be run here. 3 tests will be run. So first one what? Close will be displayed. Why means -2 takes the negative first priority. And after that, -1 is the second priority. Okay, then searching is the last priority. Are you understood? See here, it will be displayed. Based on the priority, only test methods will be executed. So once priority is priority to test the methods, then order of the methods is not considered. So priority can give random numbers. Okay, I can give 1, 2, 3. It contains what? Displays wise, priority wise. Okay, and if you give that two cases like priorities, one will be there is no priority if you give. Okay, it displays what? Default value contains 0. That's why it displays first. So if priorities are same, then execute the methods in alphabetical order also. So negative values are also allowed in the priority values. Okay. TestNG execute the test methods only if they are having test annotation. So if you don't have any test annotation here, so what it will be happen? Okay. It shows run. Okay. It leaves this part and run only two parts. If you not give testing here at the rate of annotation test, it will not running this one. Okay. It will running only these remaining two methods. Okay. So this is the class of TestNG framework. So we will discuss in next class. Okay. Thanks.